So now I bet you're just dying to know how we use all of these different components that we've learned about, how they're actually used in the real world. Or you're exhausted and you don't care anymore. Whatever. You need to know for the CISSP exam. And so what we'll first go through is a one-time pad. We'll talk about what that is. We'll look at standards that are used for email clients. We'll go through how SSL works and how secure electronic transmission, that means e-commerce, happens over the internet. So a one-time pad has been, this concept and this way of protecting secrets have been used for a long time. And basically you have a message that you want to encrypt, and you have some type of a key code or a pad that you're going to use to encrypt this message. So the data on this pad is used to encrypt your message, and then you come up with the ciphertext that's sent to the destination. Now this is symmetric cryptography, which means that the receiver must have the same pad to be able to reverse the encryption and read the plain text message. Now there's been a lot of different variations of how the one-time pad has been used.